It's finally here. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has arrived, and it's promising to be the ultimate Android phone. But is it all hype, or does it live up to the expectations? I'm here to share my honest thoughts. Let's dive in. Design and display. The S24 Ultra is a masterpiece of design. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED LED 2X display is simply stunning. The matte titanium finish is also gorgeous and feels great in the hand, although it is a bit slippery. Circle to search. Remember that amazing place you saw in a vlog? Circle it, and you're exploring its history. Circle to search makes the world around you instantly searchable and actionable. AI Translate. No more language barriers. AI Live Translate breaks down communication walls. Take calls with friends and colleagues from anywhere in the world, with their words seamlessly translated into your language and yours into theirs. It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. Generative AI magic. Unleash your creativity with the power of AI. Want to fill in that empty space in your photo? AI Photo Reimagine seamlessly expands your canvas beyond the basics. From AI-powered video editing that turns your clips into cinematic masterpieces, the S24 Ultra's AI is always there to help you do more, faster, and better. With its next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, up to 1 terabyte of storage, a 5,000 mAh battery with 405 fast charging, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is more than just a phone. It's a gateway to a future where AI empowers you to live, connect, and create like never before. Are you ready to experience the next level of intelligence? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.